Omwancho omurikireria nandi karibu ase channel ye nyare koba ninkokomanya ali agenderete ase binyoro mono ase chinsemo echiga chiagusi ase rituko ria igoro omongwana oyomo nanyarete koba kagosiria obogima ase ogwakwa na chinguru chia omorero estima are chinsemo aria chinsemo chia nyangoso kirori igo bagoteba ng'a omongwana oyo iga achete arorokanete ase abwo gakorina ase epost ya estima na gochaka chokora estima igoro aria korende nchiereti dakika nyinge bakoigwa esauti ng'a po bakonyora omongwana oyu bakorora omorero omonge bwokire igoro aria ng'a yani in a span of seconds bakorora omongwana oyu orarire nande bakorora ng'a omongwana oyu tari korespond igo ekinio na egekoro giakorekanete kegaichania abanto mono kegima ase chinsemo echio chia nyangoso igo bagoteba ng'a omongwana oyo according to the parent ise iga agoteba ng'a omongwana oyo omwana oyo oye is a very young boy nanyarete koba kagosomera egento tokorora ng'a wiring nanyarete nabwate obomanyi bwa wiring na egento asomerete ase school. I don't know nki kiamoirete mpaka epost ya estima because according to the information from the ground omongwana oyo tari member gose oyomo obo o Kenya Power, so I don't know gose omonto tari a member ya Kenya Power nabwate authority yokorina ase epost ya estima, but leaving that aside toratiga you aside nki yakorekanete because ekero korina ase omote bwa estima gose ekero ogochi gokora obo ukarabati yao igoro iga aria ase post ase chiwa chestima ninasikia you make sure omorero toiyo tore active kwa switching nebanga estima teiyo estima eyachiete but you make sure switch that off because tokumanyereria estima ndie koigorero nsangapie koigorero, so there is a high probability because according to the ground abantu aba baringe ase ground mbate batenga estima nebwate shida estima yenseme ya nyangoso akansema aku ngati estima nebwate problem, so there is a high probability that estima njarengo estima yachiete, so oyo nyakumurangeria because nande according to the parent omongwana itamenyete nyangoso igamenyete town kisi town, so I don't know bunachete nyangoso ekiachete gokora nyangoso because can you imagine from town mpaka nyangoso there is no possibility, there is no way angetoka town mpaka nyangoso kuchikora system, so there is a probability maybe it was a deal ama ni mtu tu ama alikuwa hiyo area hiyo time. Yeah, there's a probability pia alikuwa hiyo area at that particular time. One ama pengine ni deal ilikuwa kubwa ya pesa mzuri onere because estima ya engof akalina ase post ya estima igorari kochikoranga mboko nki bore gari because nabwate obumanyi bwa wiring bwa estima in simple terms nabo bwate obumanyi bwa estima tigagende igorari akarakari erinde hararenga umuchando norori with the knowledge that stima aiko so ako save stima aiko so ako save. I don't know whether you are getting me. Akapanda, remember this guy ana protective gloves, ana ile gown ya mtu wa stima wa Kenya Power anavaa, but niliona akona viatu, that's good, na akapanda juu, so there is a probability pengine haliguza mahali stima ikapop ikaanza kupita, the electrons, the currents zikaanza kupita, so in that process unajua stima si rafiki yako, ukiguza ni hivyo, the current zinaingia kwa mwili na zinakukausha kabisa, ukiguza ni hivyo. Yeah, you akuguza neutral, it was live wire. So probably at the process pengine aliguza stima ikaanza kupita, ama in the process of checking buna ng'aki estima eye egenderete gusiremboka nki borigura estima yamanya gucha, yamanya kuigurirwa, estima yachire, estima yamanya gucha yamuhaka umungwana boniga araire ntore no mwichano. Have seen the videos, have seen the photos na rori echibicha kurwase ground. It is not a good thing my friends. Aba kusiba minto aba goteanga obukimanege sicha gekwama mambia marogoba kiarurukire igo kitorense yo toro for a short while tokumanya chitariki lechinza, because this gentleman is a very small boy, a very young boy tamanyete gose herina ririto lya elio mwerio mwancho umurigereria. It is so sad, hata mimi niliona nika it is so sad naona sawa iboli umungwano gose yamate ayingima. It is very sad korende kaki abantu baminto ntumaete amatuko y'omuntu nabalire buna tokumanywa korwa asamagiko gose bali bako interpret amariko nyasaye namaete obugima bwito ase ense y'obwiko bwense. Abantu baminto bagusi nabali bonsi pi bantegerete mano mono tiankwanire vijana tikatobe abangalive ebinto tokora. I'm not saying this because I'm perfect. I'm saying this because I don't know, because ebinto ebikocha mubasukano korende tikatobe more cautious. Insemi ngokose because I don't know much. Si inche talinga nukimanyi in my tamange was saying the perfect korende the little I have I can remind you. Nawe uniremind toinyoranie tigankoinyori oinyori rafiki yao elinde tobe cautious abantu baminto tiga titobeka amagima ito ase are dangerous, because if this gentleman no oli omotebetinga kora egento bunyeke, please tiakobeka amagima y'abantu bande ase abe, because number one, the first precaution no to make sure electricity whether it's there or not switch off kabisa. You have switched off stima tali rafiki ya muntu. Number two, you have protective gears, gloves, hand gloves nchiro chirichie stima chinyene. Safety number one, igotika tware precaution, take precaution na igore bobe, but it has to happen again. To ngene chinga kichiae, it has happened, tutaweza kurudisha nyuma igwa ngora wacha se family yo mungwano we na inde tiga nyasabeke asi esoga in peace ntubono twatiga indika tokore precaution na inde nimbamanye nimbabwaterie story yons imbaretere mbamanye